What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Boom! What's up, beautiful people? I got y'all. Well, welcome to another episode of the Don't Keep Up with the Joneses family channel. Okay, now I have you on the set of my podcast because I received a package today. I actually just finished a podcast and boom shakalaka, there's a package at the door. Shouts out to whoever sent it and a ring for letting me know, which I'm excited about this. Now you all may be like, Ricky, what's going on? Like last week you did an unboxing for a journal. Yes, I did, for the What Is He to You Today journal, which was a journal that I've already done. I just refaced it and now we'll be talking about it, promoted it, and things like that with the new energy and new excitement because I know it is purposeful. However, this is something cool as well. Now this one has a dual part benefit. So now you all are watching me see this for the first time. It was created. Oh my. This is hefty. Okay. This is hefty. And I like it. This is hefty and I like it. Okay, so you gotta be wondering, Ricky, what is this? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is the Purpose Activation Journal. From purpose filled to purpose full. Now, yes, I'm sure y'all have heard me talk about it, but Chrystle and I have started a program called Purpose Activation, and with that, we seek to help people not only discover their purpose, but develop in their purpose, and then deploy in their purpose, okay? And so with that, I know the different things that helped me was that I had a journal. I recorded things, which I'm not going to get too much into it. I want to talk about it in a podcast. However, I wanted to show you all this here journal, which the cool thing about the journal is, one, is something that you can get on Amazon. Anybody can get it. My name is not in it. Whoever purchased it, put your name in it. I do recommend you doing that. However, what it does allow for you to do is document what you do each day. Also allows for you to write down goals, tasks, and notes, right? Because even in our program that we have, the Purpose Activation program, we talked about setting goals, right? So you know how there's a GPS, which allows for you to get to your ultimate destination. I believe that as humans, we have a GSE. Right? We should have goals, then we should have a strategic way of accomplishing those goals, and then with the P, that's plans, right? What are the plans that's going to help us strategically accomplish those goals? And then from there, the last S are steps. What are the steps that's going to allow for us to get to the goals, right? Going back up through the ladder and things like that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this here journal will allow for you to document the goals that you have, the tasks that you may have, or the steps that are necessary, right? I call them steps. Most people call them tasks, so I didn't want to confuse anybody. But what task needs to take place today to be able to accomplish those goals? And then you have the ability to write notes to talk about different things that worked, did not work, need to repeat, or need to let go of, right? And so here, ladies and gentlemen, a journal is here, but even with it, which is white, so white really doesn't show because of all the lights that I need to be able to allow for you to see me through this video. But in it all, with it all, I'm excited for it. Again, it's on Amazon that you can purchase it today. I'll put a link down below for this bad boy. And yeah, man, the gifts just keeps on giving. The Jones family keeps on growing, and there will be more to come. When I mean more to come, I do mean books. I do mean ways in which we are communicating with you all, ways of making your lives better. That's what we desire. That's what we want. If anything could be received out of the pandemic, right? Hopefully no positive cases were received by you. However, if there was anything to be received following the pandemic, is that we should be more strategic about our time, because time is so important. Time is worth more than money. You know how it said, my time is money? No. Time is way more valuable than money. Real quick, how do you know this, right? If I was to give you $1 million, you would most likely be like, yeah, You may ask where'd you get it from. However, don't worry about all that. I'm giving you $1 million. You're receiving it. Boom. But what if I said that if you receive this $1 million, you only have 1 hour to enjoy it? Or would you not want the money at all? 9 times out of 10, people would say, I don't want the money at all. Why? Because the $1 million is worth more than just an hour left of my life. However, a lot of times we've been trading time for money and things like that, or we've been wasting money with the use of our time. However, this here journal is going to allow for you to be more focused and intentional behind what you do each and every day, knowing the different things that you want to achieve, knowing the purpose that you have within you, knowing the goals that you have, knowing the plans that you have, knowing the steps that it's going to take for you to accomplish those things, and make you realize what things have been causing you to waste your time, or where has your time actually gone. How many of us have made it to the end of the weekend, man, and said, man, this week went by fast? No, it didn't. It went by the same amount of speed that it went the previous week and the week before that. Why? Because there's 24 hours in each and every day, and you multiply that by whatever time frame you say a week is, be it 5 days, be it 7 days, and it's gonna be the same every week, every time, every month, every year. I have never met a year, month, or day that was different than 24 hours, okay? Just saying. So anyway, in it all with it all, boom shakalaka, it's here. Again, you can't see it so clear because it's white on the front and it's orange on the back, which I love the color orange, largely because I love how it looks on my son. And if I could just say this part, and I'll be out your way. The cool thing is, if you were to go see it on Amazon, you'll see it listed as my name, Ricky, and then Chrystle as an editor, I believe, and then Rain Demi Jones as a contributor, right? And so that is set up that way, or however it is, the three of us are on there because this is a legacy project as well. Ladies and gentlemen, men and women, people that are parents, you should be setting up things with your children attached to it so that whenever you transition, they will continue to receive benefits and revenue and proceeds from the things that you create. Never anymore should things just die out when the head or the parents die out. There should be things left for the children to continue to receive from their parents that they've established, right? Because, I mean, I took time out of my family's life to create this. Therefore, I want to make sure that, again, time and money do not equate. However, I can give them benefits of this as it should benefit us and you for those that partake it. So it's cool. It's a legacy project as well as it's a beneficial factor to it, and I want you all to have it. This is a 6-month journal, right? Why 6 months? Because they say it takes 21 days to start a habit. However, I like looking at things in increments, right? And sometimes I look at it in 3 months, sometimes I look at it in 6 months, sometimes I look at it 9 and 12. However, I believe that you can set up a life worth living 1/2 year at a time, and that's what this will grant you. Therefore, go get it. It's online, it's on Amazon, you can get it. Boom, this is what it looks like, and this is what it's called, Purpose Activation Journal, and it's something that you can get today. All right, great people, I love you all. Thank you. More excitement to come. Let's go. Peace.